This is a video review for this lightweight ergonomic office chair. This one's in black. I think they come in a few different colors. It has 5 caster wheels on a base. It spins pretty freely around that base. It's got all the features that you want, like an adjustable recline right here, tight or loose. It has the raise and lower functionality right here, where you can pop it up, lower it down. And this is also what engages and disengages that reclining lock feature. Overall, it's kind of nice. I mean, the padding isn't overly thick. It's probably about 3 inches thick. And there's no padding on the back at all. This is just a mesh. In fact, you can almost see through it. It's just a mesh with this plastic frame all the way around it. There's some support here. It kind of bends, plastic bends, so when you sit on it, it kind of provides that structure there. The nice thing about it is it really is lightweight. It has that same mesh all the way around on the different armrests here. It's not really hard to move around. The casters are kind of like your standard casters. It's got really just no weight to it. I mean, I can freely just move this thing around. For an ergonomic office chair that you just don't want to have a lot of weight to move around, this might be a good option for you. The armrests raise and lower out of the way as well. Both of them do pretty easily. Again, there's that plastic support back in there that does flex a little bit. And then the mesh just lays over that plastic framing and the bounce part there to provide that soft cushion. For the price point, these are great chairs for any office environment.